We are going through exercise 17e, and in this video we'll be answering question 1b, which is asking us to find the indefinite integral of 3x squared minus 2. Now, immediately we can realize that we have two parts of this. We have our 3x squared, then we have our subtract 2. So when we're dealing with integrals, what we can actually do is break this up rather nicely. So we can go, all right, I have an integral of 3x squared dx minus an integral of 2 dx. So hopefully you can see there, I've broken up one integral into two and making sure because I'm subtracting here, they're subtracting likewise. Now what I'm going to do is actually say, all right, let's deal with these separately. So what can I do for this one? Well, I immediately see that I have a constant there. So I think I'm going to pull that constant out and be left with this. So let me just write the whole thing out once again, just to be thorough. There we go. Having done that now, I'm going to do my integration. So I'm going to have 3 times, now x squared, if I was to integrate that, I'm going to plus 1 to my power, so it's going to become 3, and then I'm going to divide by that number. Then I'm going to have a subtraction, and now I'm going to have to integrate 2. How am I going to do that? Well, let's just think for a moment. Let me just move this to the side here. Would you all agree with me that there is an invisible x to the 0 there, right? Because x to the 0 is just 1. So this is in essence just saying 2 times 1. Well, if that is there, if I was to add 1 to the power, what I'm going to wind up with is 0 plus 1. So it's just going to be 2x1. Now, we don't put that 1 there, we just leave it. So we just write it as 2x. So whenever you're in a situation where you just have a constant by itself and then you integrate, you're going to find that an x is going to appear there. Okay, so I'm finished with that. Then I have to make sure, plus my c on the end, something that people always forget. Let's just tidy this up now. I can get rid of this and this, which means I'm going to be left with x cubed minus 2x plus c. And that right there is going to be my final answer. So let me highlight that. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. I imagine that some of you might get a little tripped up here, but apart from that, a nice, easy question. I'll see you in the next video.